Yeah. Let me take y'all on a journey back to when I was a youngin' trying to make it in this game, and you couldn't tell me nothing. Only thing up on my mind was this music. It was something that I love, but as time passed, man, this love became rotten. Going broke for this music, man, I started losing hope, thinking jokes on me. They must be pulling ropes, cause every time I try to reach, the top would just get higher. Listening back, I used to preach about making it big, feeling like a liar. Damn, what happened to that boy who had so much ambition? What happened to that boy who had so much dedication? I used to sit at home and spend hours on this dream. I used to sit alone and write to let off steam. What I mean is I kinda lost my touch, like motivation is slacking. I'm just praying for luck, like if I'm lucky I'll make it. If not, it was a meant to be, forgetting all that I accomplished and what music really meant to me. It was my passion, it was my dream. No more slacking, gotta make it by any means. Can't let everything I've done in the past go to waste. Gotta pick up all the pieces and put it all into place. Let's take it back to when my song was a Gran Torino. Take it back to when they played my joint on the radio. Matter of fact, let's take it back to when I was a kid. I had an interview with WJLB and it went like this.
This is FM 98 WJLB #1 for hip hop and R&B. What's next on the menu? Got somebody representing the Asian community from Detroit. Tell everybody your name, dog.
What up, man? It's your boy LP. And it's crazy to know I was only 18 during the interview. Didn't know shit about the grind, just wanted to rap and do what it do. But I had heart, something I lost and recently found again. Back to writing that hard shit like I got a constipated pen. Yeah, I still got it, bro. Got them beats and I got that flow. Matter of fact, I'm back on my feet, coming back with the heat at 30 years old. Showing everybody that age ain't shit, still all my shit, schooling all you hoes. All in this bitch, got a royal flush, man, why the fuck would I fold? Huh?
This ain't no celebration. It's ballin', shot clocks, you with no hesitation. If you let somebody win, there ain't no point in playing. Always know the time is precious, ain't no point in waiting. Ballin', no doubts, this ain't no celebration. It's ballin', shot clocks, you with no hesitation. If you let somebody win, there ain't no point in playing. Always know the time is precious, ain't no point in waiting.
Time y'all start representing. By the time we heard from y'all.
From the Asian community?
Yes. I see them driving around all the time in them too fast, too furious cars.
She's stupid. DDT up in here.